Tokyo can make luxury feel almost limitless. There are legendary 5-star hotels overlooking the Imperial Palace, spectacular towers above Shinjuku, and ultra-exclusive properties where a single night can consume a large part of your travel budget. But Tokyo also does something exceptionally well. It offers beautifully designed hotels with skyline views, excellent transport connections, and distinctly Japanese attention to detail without automatically charging ultra-luxury prices. The key is knowing where your money matters most. In Tokyo, an enormous lobby may be less valuable than a great railway connection, while a slightly smaller room with a spectacular view can sometimes deliver the more memorable experience. Neighborhood choice matters too. Shinjuku gives you extraordinary transport and nightlife. Ginza brings sophistication and shopping, while quieter districts can offer substantially more space for the same budget. We're counting down 5 affordable luxury hotels in Tokyo, with indicative prices in US dollars to help you compare the value. Rates can change dramatically during cherry blossom season, autumn foliage, weekends, and Japanese holidays, so treat these figures as useful starting points rather than guaranteed prices. And stay for number 1, because our winner combines enormous Tokyo views, sophisticated rooms, and one of the most useful locations in the city without entering the pricing territory of Tokyo's most famous luxury hotels. Number 5 is Mitsui Garden Hotel Jingugaien Tokyo Premier. This hotel sits beside the greenery of Meiji Jingugaien, giving you a surprisingly peaceful setting for a city as enormous as Tokyo. Rather than stepping outside into one of Tokyo's busiest commercial districts, you are surrounded by parks, sporting venues, and broad city views. Yet railway connections make Shinjuku and other central areas easy to reach. The hotel has a refined contemporary Japanese style, with natural materials and understated interiors creating a much calmer atmosphere than many large city hotels. Rooms are compact by international luxury standards, but that is normal in Tokyo. The important difference is how intelligently the space is used. Many rooms include balconies, something relatively unusual in central Tokyo and particularly enjoyable when the weather is comfortable. There is also a large communal bath where guests can unwind after spending the day walking around the city. A fitness room and restaurant add useful facilities without turning the property into an oversized resort-style hotel. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $150 to $200 per night. The compromise is that you are not directly inside Shinjuku, Shibuya, or Ginza. But for couples who value calm surroundings, thoughtful design, and easy transport over being surrounded by neon every evening, that can actually improve the experience. Number 4 is Sequence MIYASHITA Park. Sequence puts you into an almost completely opposite version of Tokyo. The hotel sits above MIYASHITA Park in Shibuya, surrounded by shopping, restaurants, nightlife, and the relentless energy that makes this neighborhood famous. Shibuya Crossing is within easy walking distance, making this particularly attractive for first-time visitors who want Tokyo immediately outside the door. The interiors are modern, minimalist, and deliberately youthful. Rooms maximize the available space rather than trying to imitate the oversized accommodation of an international resort. Higher floor categories are the ones I would watch. Tokyo's skyline becomes part of the experience, particularly after dark when Shibuya transforms into a landscape of lights and towers. The hotel also has social spaces and dining, while the restaurants and entertainment throughout MIYASHITA Park dramatically expand your options. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $180 to $230 per night. That can be compelling considering how much travelers often pay simply to stay in a strong Shibuya location. The main compromise is room size. Entry categories can feel compact, particularly for travelers carrying substantial luggage. And this is not the choice for someone looking for a silent retreat from Tokyo. But for younger couples, first-time visitors and travelers who want Shibuya to become part of the hotel experience, Sequence offers location and contemporary design in a very appealing package. Number 3 is Hotel Groove Shinjuku, a PARKROYAL hotel. And this is where the skyline begins to play a much bigger role. Hotel Groove occupies the upper floors of Tokyo Kabukicho Tower in the heart of Shinjuku's entertainment district. The hotel begins high above street level, immediately separating the rooms from some of the intensity below. That elevated position creates spectacular views across Tokyo. Guest rooms range from relatively compact superior categories to much larger suites, but even the more accessible rooms carry the hotel's contemporary art and music personality. Deluxe rooms are particularly interesting because the elevated windows frame Shinjuku's skyscrapers and nighttime cityscape. The hotel also has distinctive artist-designed rooms for travelers who want something far removed from a conventional international chain. Jam 17 provides dining and bar spaces, while a terrace gives guests another opportunity to experience the city from above. And the location is extraordinary for nightlife. Kabukicho is outside, while Shinjuku Station is within walking distance and connects you with an enormous portion of Tokyo. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $200 to $250 per night, although stronger room categories and peak travel periods can move considerably higher. The compromise is the neighborhood. Kabukicho is energetic, crowded and intensely urban, particularly after dark. Travelers wanting temples, quiet streets and traditional Tokyo atmosphere may prefer another district. But if you want the Tokyo people imagined before their first visit, enormous buildings, neon lights, restaurants and seemingly endless energy, Hotel Groove delivers it spectacularly. And we still have 2 hotels to go. Because number 2 gives us a more sophisticated version of Tokyo luxury with a completely different neighborhood atmosphere. While number 1 will combine space, skyline views and transport convenience into what may be the strongest overall value proposition in our countdown. Number 2 is the Gate Hotel Tokyo by HULIC. The Gate Hotel sits beside Ginza, placing you in one of Tokyo's most sophisticated districts without requiring the budget of the ultra-luxury hotels nearby. From here, Ginza's department stores, restaurants and designer boutiques are within easy walking distance. Yurakucho Station is also close, giving you excellent railway connections when you want to explore farther across Tokyo. The hotel begins above street level, which helps separate the atmosphere inside from the busy city below. Rooms use contemporary Japanese design with clean lines, warm materials and large windows. Even the more accessible categories feel polished rather than simply functional. But the larger rooms are where the luxury proposition becomes considerably stronger. They provide more breathing room than many central Tokyo hotels, which can make a noticeable difference during a longer stay. The hotel's public spaces are another highlight. A terrace looks across the surrounding city, creating somewhere to enjoy Tokyo without immediately returning to the streets below. There is also a restaurant and bar, while the surrounding Ginza neighborhood provides almost unlimited dining choices. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $200 to $250 per night. That is not inexpensive, but the location changes the value equation. You are staying beside one of Tokyo's most prestigious districts with excellent transport and a genuinely upscale hotel experience. The main compromise is facilities. There is no enormous swimming pool or sprawling resort-style spa. But Tokyo is a city where most travelers spend the majority of their day exploring. For couples who value location, sophisticated design and easy transport over extensive leisure facilities, the Gate Hotel can be an exceptionally smart choice. Number 1 is Hotel Metropolitan Tokyo Marunouchi. Hotel Metropolitan Tokyo Marunouchi occupies the upper floors of the Shibuya Tower beside Tokyo Station. and that location is difficult to overstate. Tokyo Station connects you with subway lines, local trains and the Shinkansen network, making this one of the most convenient bases in the entire city. If Tokyo is only one stop on a wider Japan itinerary, that convenience becomes even more valuable. But this is not simply a practical railway hotel. The lobby sits high above the surrounding streets, immediately introducing the enormous city views that define much of the experience. Rooms continue that elevated perspective. Many categories overlook Tokyo's towers and railway lines, creating a fascinating panorama that becomes especially impressive after dark. The interiors are understated and contemporary, with the emphasis placed on comfort, quietness and the view rather than elaborate decoration. Room sizes vary, and some entry categories remain relatively compact. But corner rooms in larger categories provide more space and wider windows, making them particularly attractive when the upgrade price is reasonable. There is something uniquely Tokyo about watching trains glide through the city far below while skyscrapers stretch toward the horizon. The hotel also has a fitness room and restaurant, giving you the essentials expected from an upscale city stay. But the real facility is Tokyo Station itself. Restaurants, cafes, shops and enormous transport connections are effectively on your doorstep. You can travel to Ginza quickly, reach the Imperial Palace area easily or board a bullet train for Kyoto without dragging luggage across the city. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $200 to $260 per night. Peak periods can naturally move much higher. But when you consider the location, skyline views and time saved moving around Tokyo, the value becomes much more compelling. The main compromise is that Marunouchi becomes quieter at night than Shinjuku or Shibuya. Travelers wanting nightlife immediately outside the hotel may find the neighborhood too restrained. And again, this is not a resort hotel with pools and elaborate leisure facilities. But that is not what makes Hotel Metropolitan Tokyo Marunouchi luxurious. Its luxury comes from making one of the world's largest cities remarkably easy. You arrive at Tokyo Station and your hotel is essentially there. You wake up high above the city. And when it is time to explore Japan, one of the country's most important transport hubs is beneath you. That combination is why Hotel Metropolitan Tokyo Marunouchi takes our #1 position. Mitsui Garden Hotel Jingugaien Tokyo Premier gives you contemporary Japanese design and calmer surroundings. Sequence MIYASHITA Park places you directly inside the energy of Shibuya. Hotel Groove delivers dramatic skyline views above Shinjuku. The Gate Hotel combines Ginza sophistication with excellent transport. But Hotel Metropolitan Tokyo Marunouchi gives us the strongest balance of location, comfort, views and practical value. And Tokyo demonstrates something important about affordable luxury. The best value is not always the hotel with the largest bedroom or longest list of facilities. Sometimes luxury means removing friction from the trip. A brilliant location can save hours of traveling. A beautiful city view can make a compact room feel memorable. And thoughtful Japanese design can make limited space work remarkably well. Compare several dates before booking, particularly during cherry blossom season, autumn foliage and major Japanese holidays. Tokyo hotel rates can move dramatically during those periods. But if you find the right dates, this extraordinary city can offer sophisticated hotel experiences without requiring the extraordinary prices of its most famous 5-star properties.